Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. You never guess where I am. Yeah, I'm up on the roof. And I'm taking the eaves trough cleaner and blowing this crap out of the eaves troughs. I have got a ton of it everywhere. That building has taken so much time away from everything else. I haven't done hardly anything. So the inspector is coming on Wednesday to do the inspection. I should know Wednesday afternoon whether I pass or not. I'll pass. But in any case, whether I do or I don't, if he finds something wrong, I get one more free inspection. He'll tell me what was wrong, I'll fix it, and away we'll go. Never had it happen, but there's always a first. So right now I'm doing the roof and cleaning off the eaves trough, cleaning the leaves off the roof. Excuse the interruption there. Working one-handed. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I'm doing. It's kind of noisy. Plug your ears.